Good morning everyone. Today in our class we will discuss about the Great Indian Desert. Okay, so let's start. The Great Indian Desert, here we have to know about some introductions part of this desert. The Great Indian Desert, also called Thar Desert, okay, and it is located toward the west of the northern plain, and it covered almost 3/5 of the state of Rajasthan. Mainly Indian desert is located in Rajasthan, okay, and it's extend from the Aravalli in the east to the border of Pakistan in the west, and from the Rann and Kutch in the southern, and Haryana located in the northern portions of this desert. Okay, now we will discuss about climate of this Thar desert. The desert has extreme type of climate. That means in summer they have very hot in the daytime and night are cold, and similarly in winter there is a warm in daytime but very cold in winter. And here you see the dry wind blow throughout the year, and that carry no moisture, so that's why there is no rainfall is there, or sometimes there is a little rainfall is there. Okay, now we will discuss about the land. The large part of the Thar desert is covered with sand. Okay, and here you see some hillocks of sand, that is in many places that hillocks of sand is called sand dunes. Okay, and these sand dunes are not permanent, is always changing their positions due to the wind. Okay, when the strong wind blow, they shift these sand dunes from one place to another place. These strong wind which is carry a large amount of sand with them, they are called, this type of strong wind is called sandstorm. Okay, and you see in desert area, in desert regions there is the water scarcity is there. Okay, but in some places there are some underground water come out in the form of spring. Okay, in the surface, and that water bodies, due to that water bodies there is some trees like date plum, fig plant grow there around these water bodies, and there is such a fertile spot in desert that is known as oasis. You can see the picture in our next page. Okay, and sometime there is a small settlement is also there around this oasis, and they are actually called nomads. Okay, they are changing their place from one place to another place. Okay, because of the sand it is very difficult to travel in the desert. People generally use camel as a means of transportations in desert. That means in desert area camel is the main domestic animal. Okay, and it is because camels can easily walk on this hot sand because they have the paddle feet. Okay, and they can easily walk so many days without water. Okay, a camel can also live without water for many days. For all this reason a camel is called sheep of the desert. Okay, here you see the first image is about the nomads people. They are always moving from one place to another place, and the second image is the vegetations. There we are in the desert regions we only find cactus types of plant. Okay, and the third image you see as a oasis. Okay, now we will discuss about the life of the people in the Thar desert. Rajasthan is the largest state of India, and its capital is Jaipur. Jaipur is also called Pink City. You see the picture, the total pink in color, right? And here the main river is Luni. Okay, and due to the shortage of water here main problem, and that's why here important dam is located is there, that is Indira Gandhi dam. Okay, and due to this shortage of water only few plants grow there. okay, like cactus, acacia, date plum, okay. And here you can see, due to the problem of water and but after the constructions of the Indira Gandhi Canal, here agriculture is possible. So here some agriculture crops are grow there, like wheat, sugarcane, oilseed, tobacco, etc. Okay. And here you can see also some minerals depositions are there, like zinc, mica, copper, okay. And also you can see there some important the rocks there, like marble, sandstone, granite, okay. And here some important the handicraft like tie and dye, like stone work, embroidery work, Rajasthani quilts work, jewelry works. And main language spoken by Rajasthan peoples are Rajasthani and Hindi, okay. The people of third desert wear the colorful clothes, like men wear dhoti kurta and colorful turban, and women wear ghagra choli with orni, okay. Here important festivals is like Tej, Ghangor, Dasera, Diwali, Eid, and main folk dance is Ghumar, Kachigadi, Chari, fire dance, etc. Okay. Main dishes here dal bati churma. And Rajasthan is very famous for its tourist place, like Hawa Mahal, Amber Fort, Chittorgarh Fort is located in Rajasthan, and also Mount Abu is famous for Dilwara temple, okay. Rajasthan has many wildlife sanctuary like Ranthambore National Park, Siraksha Tiger Reserves, Bharatpura Bird Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan, okay. Here some important cities names are Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Bikaner, okay. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood. If you have any queries, please let me know. Thank you.